G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is just have a quick go at covering a whole house Grander unit with some petroleum jelly. Okay, now the Grander units are an amazing product. We all know about them. There's plenty of information out there now, and the question often is, how do I make it last as long as it can? How do I take care of it? What's the maintenance involved in these products? Okay, now honestly, they are almost set and forget. Okay, you put a nice plastic container around it like you can see around this one here, like in our images, etc., what we promote people to do. The outside cover is covered, right? It's keeping nice and dry and it's secure and no one can steal it. Then once a year you're going to come along with some petroleum jelly and just cover the outside. We want to keep the harsh Australian air off the outside. The Grander water will take care of the inside, but we want to keep the air off the outside, okay? Now the situation here is that this has been here for some years, this Grander unit, and it's already had petroleum jelly applied to it annually, okay? So we're going to come back here this year and we're going to apply some petroleum jelly and show you just how easy it is. If you've got excess petroleum jelly, if there's too much petroleum jelly on there from last year, or it's changed colour, got dirty, gone black, dust on it, whatever it might be, you can clean it off very easily. Just get hold of some CRC, petroleum product, something like that, and it'll wash straight off, no worries at all. Give it a wipe with a rag and you're pretty much good to go, okay? So as you can see, we've just nipped down to Coles and got hold of some good quality petroleum jelly, and here's my rag. So we'll just pull the top off the unit here, and the device is inside, so I'm just going to get hold of it and give it a bit of a wipe over. This one here has had petroleum jelly put on it before, as I suggested, and here we go, and we'll just give her a quick demo and put some on. So a couple of fingers, petroleum jelly, and we're liberally wiping it over the unit, all right, all over it. We want to cover the whole thing. You don't want to actually smother it an inch deep on there, but we do want to get hold of it and coat it all over, so we've got a good uniform coating over it, and there's no chance of any moisture or salty air getting in onto the product, okay? So I'll try and be quick for you for the video today, so we won't go and cover the underneath, etc., but I will just quickly get a liberal coverage over the top of this product. Just about finished there now, and that's pretty much it folks. There's not too much science involved with rubbing a bit of petroleum jelly over a product, but we do want to do it annually. It is part of the system for Grander, and you really do need to do this, all right? Basically, if you don't, it's only going to be detrimental to your own product. Now these can last a long time. So Grander products looking after you, look after your Grander product, and everybody will be happy in the long run. Thanks very much.